Good afternoon, students. So we are seeing the civics lesson, is it no? Before that, I hope you all are fine. Be safe. And moreover, I am thinking that you are just following me by studying all the questions. Okay. Just read the lesson 1 or 2 times. Okay. So we are seeing the civics lesson equality. Okay. So according to the equality, before that we need to see about the inequality. Is it no? What are the two kinds of inequality? Nature inequality and man-made inequality. Nature inequality and man-made inequality. So what is meant by equality? So we see the meaning. What are them? Equality is ensuring the individuals or groups that are not treated differently or less favorably on the basis of specific protected characteristics, including areas of race, gender, disability, religious or belief, sexual orientation and age. I hope you all read this. Whether you read this, ma? So, okay, this is the important question. You need to study that, okay? So, according to that, importance of equality. What are the importance of equality? First point, it is a very powerful moral and the political ideal. Political ideal. That means to inspire and guide the human society for the many centuries. Okay. And second one, all the human beings, they are having the equal worth. That means we need to give the equal value to all the human beings and they need to respect the human beings in the same value. And third one, the democratic ideals are meaningful and effective. Okay, what are the democratic ideals? We will say that. What are they? Liberty, equality, etc. Okay, so it is meaningful and effective when? Only when they are implemented with the justice. Okay, ma. So up to that we had seen in the previous class. See here. Now we are going to see the kinds of equality. What are the kinds of equality? So according to the equality, there are 5 types. First one is social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality, equality of opportunity and education. Okay, so what are the types of equality? Social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality and equality of opportunity and education. So one by one we are going to see that. First one is social equality. See, the government is providing the smart card, Aadhaar card, everything. Is it no PAN card, everything. So why they are providing that? Because the government should be to entitle that all the people are equal before the law, each one having the equal identity. Okay, so according to the social equality, all citizens are entitled to enjoy the equal status in the society. All citizens are entitled to enjoy the equal status in the society. Okay, no discrimination of caste, creed, color and race. There is no discrimination of caste, creed. So that only for the government job they are providing the exam system, is it no? So which caste, creed, color or race, there is no discrimination. If you are writing the exam, you will pass and you can get over the government job. Okay. So no discrimination of caste, creed, color and race. And after that, equal opportunity to develop their personality and to complete the goals. Okay, and to complete the goals. So what is meant by social equality? Social equality means all the citizens are entitled to enjoy the equal status in the society. There is no discrimination of caste, creed, color and race. Equal opportunity to develop their personality and to complete their goals. That is the social equality. Understand? Okay, next one is civil equality. Civil equality. civil equality means it's the enjoyment of all the civil rights by all the citizens. So whoever making the mistakes, whoever implies it, equality of all the citizens before the law. Okay. Every citizen should be treated similarly by the constitution. There is no rich poor, there is no high class low class, there is no VIP. Nothing is there. No discrimination of superior or inferior, the rich or poor, caste or creed. So all are equal and equal treatment is to be given to all by the rule of law. Understand? So every citizen of the state should be treated similarly by the constitution, the law and the governing institutions. That means irrespective of race, religion, sex, caste, creed, language, view and belief. Okay, so civil equality means it's the enjoyment of civil rights by all the citizens. Okay, there should not be any discrimination of superior or inferior, the rich or the poor, or caste or creed. Okay, so equal rights should be available to all the person and nobody should be denied enjoyment of any rights. Okay, nobody should denied enjoyment of any rights. So he is a rich and he is a VIP person. If you make any malpractice, so according to the law, he should be give the equal treatment and punishment. He should not be denied and he should not enjoy any rights. Okay, do you understand that rule of law is in force in England and in the eyes of law, all are equal and equal treatment is given to all by the rule of law. Okay, in India also the same rule of law is followed. Okay, ma. So according to that rule of law, it was advocated by A.V. Dicey, the British legal luminary. So in the first page you can see the blue box. You can understand that that rule of law was advocated by A.V. Dicey, the British legal luminary. Just underlined it for the one word. Okay. Did you understand the civil equality? Okay. And next one is political equality. So we all having, it's a democratic country, is it no? So all the democratic countries, including in our India, we all have the guaranteed of the political rights to all the citizens. That means we are having the responsibility to make over that the government is working well or not. Okay. See here, political rights to all the citizens. What is meant by the political rights? Means right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. Okay, right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. First one is right to vote. Okay, I am having the responsibility to select my own leader. I am having the responsibility to select my own leader. So I am selecting my leader. If the leader is simply sitting, whether I can able to sit simply, okay, leader is simply sitting, so we can also simply sit. Whether we can able to do that? No. Okay, so it's my duty to, whether the leader is working well, whether the leader is doing his responsibility well, I need to check it. Right to hold the public office. Okay, ma. And third one, right to criticize the government. Right to criticize the government is not the criticizing the government. What does it means? If the leader is not working properly, I am having the rights to voice one public opinion, political opinion to the government of his policy. Okay, that means I can actively participate in the government. I can ask them the questions why you are not doing that. Okay, see here, political equality, political rights to all the citizens. That means it included the right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. Okay, so what are the 3 political rights? Right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. That means it implies that all the citizens should have the equal access to similar political rights. Okay, access similar political rights. See, if you are going to any other institution or any other government bank or anything, so if you are providing the money to the services, is it no? If the services is not done by the particular bank or particular government, means whether it can come back easily? No. So you are having the rights to access the political rights. You can ask over the questions to the particular government. Okay, ma, that is the right to criticize the government. So they may include political equality, may include the right to vote, to contest elections, to voice one political opinion and criticize government policies, and to actively participate in the governance. Understand? Okay. Gender equality. See here. So in the previously, before 100 years back or 200 back years means, here, moreover, the people think that only the woman is suitable only for the kitchen. Okay, they should not come rises to the kitchen. Okay, but now women are in the each department. Women are in the high quality of all the department. So according to the gender equality, both men and women are equal. Whatever thing the men can do, the woman can also having the ability to do. So now also the woman is driving the aeroplane, is the captain of a ship. Woman is also in a war as a soldier. Woman is in the scientist. Woman is going across to the earth. Okay, so gender equality means both men and women are free to develop their personal ability. Whatever the woman need to do, she is having the rights to do their ability. Okay, and make choices without any limitations. Okay, so if she had finished over the degree, means she are having the rights to go for the job. Okay, she is having the rights to take over the decision of her own. Okay, and both men and women should be treated equally. Okay, so how the men is having the same rights, the same as well as the woman is also having the same rights and resources, opportunity and protections. What is meant by protections? To control over the men. Okay, so according to the gender equality, both men and women are free to develop their personal ability and make choices without any limitations. They should be treated equally. Okay, so after that, UNICEF, that is the gender equality means, whatever thing they are saying, that means women and men and girls and boys having the enjoying the same rights, resources, opportunity and protections. Resources and opportunity. So before 100 years back, before 50 years back, there is no rights for the assets. If father is having the house or any other farm activities, means only the boy can able to enjoy the assets. Women cannot able to enjoy the assets. But before, they recently only in the 2017, so gender equality is the 15-17 sustainable development goal of the United Nations. They prove that so both men and women is having the rights to enjoy their father or mother assets. Okay, so enjoy the same resources, opportunities and protections. Okay. So gender equality means It's the equality to the equal right of both men and women to have access to opportunity and resources. They are also having the right to participate in the economic sphere and make some important decisions. Okay, so women with their talent and hard work have proved that their ability is not less than man in any aspects. Is it or not? Yes. Nowadays, women are successfully working in many fields. See, even though in the border security force, Indian Air Force, etc. Okay, and not only that, for upliftment of women, the 50% of reservation has also given for the women to the local bodies in the political system. Okay, ma. So after that, see the box, blue box is there in the gender equality, and that you can see that efforts were made by many social activities from the 19th century onwards. The noted champion of this cause were Rajaram Mohan Rai, Inshat Chandra, Vidyasagar Dayanand Saraswati, Mahadev Govind Ranade, Tarabai Sindhe, Begum Rokia Shakawat Hussain. So they only work very hard to give the equal status to the woman in 19th century. Okay, ma. So today we can finish here itself, I think so. Okay, so what are the equality we had seen? Social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality. Up to that we had seen. Okay. So what are the kinds of equality? Types of equality? Social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality, and equality of opportunity and education. So moreover, we had finished the 4 equality today, and just read out the lesson. Remaining things we can see over in the next class. Okay, ma. Thank you.